difficult to see, but there's a rib and a channel that rib goes into. And at the ends, it's kind of lined up. In the middle, you need to push up on your tent, give it a hit, and now it drops in. So if you need to be careful, if you get up there and start messing around on this thing without that fully engaged, you could bend that little aluminum rib on there, and then you might have some problems down the road. So now this, you got your little hook here. Now if that rib is not, you can see it right there, it sits inside of that channel. Now if that rib is not lined up, you will not be able to lock these little hooks. So that's kind of how you're gonna know that something's not quite right there, is these little hooks will not reach their locking point. So same thing here, you got another little hook on this side. Okay, and then this is basically the tent. Like I said, the rainfly is not on it at this time. It's pretty hot here already today, so I'm not going to be needing the rainfly anytime soon. I do still have it. It's in the tent, packed in a bag, and the poles are underneath the mattress. So I do still have it with me in case something happens. So now let's we'll adjust this ladder here, and so you want your ladder kind of, you know, not fully upright, but you don't want it laying out way far either. This ladder does support the weight of the tent out on this cantilevered end. So you do want the tent or the ladder to have secure footing and to be locked out. You don't want these poles to be moving around. Here in the front, they give you you know, shoe bag. These straps, these little hooks can be kind of confusing at first because you go, what the heck hooks to these? It's for the shoe bag. And then you also have here, so here you have a strap and a hook here. Now, originally I thought this was for the ladder, but if you get it to reach the ladder and hook the ladder at all, the ladder is extended too far off the tent in the closed position to put the cover on. Then I thought maybe it's to roll the cover up and hook it there, but these loops would need to be on the other side of the cover for that to work. So I've yet to figure out what those straps and loops are for. If you watch this video and you know what they're for, by all means hit me up and let me know, because I'm still unsure. So going to the inside of the tent, this here, all this extra material, this is the veranda. That's what they call it, and it's basically an overhang that overhangs over the ladder. Let me actually pause the video for a second, and I will put the veranda up and show you guys.